Hello friends, and welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to create another color scheme for the bathroom. So let's start. So let's say you've fallen in love with this tile. This particular tile is a from National Tile. It's a beautiful neutral tile and you want to create a lovely color scheme for your bathroom. The first thing is first, we're either gonna go to the company, but by all means always take a sample. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to test it. Obviously, I'm not going to now get all the undertones, but I've gotten the right undertone. And again, it's a lovely gray with the green undertone. And this lighter version picks up on the tile really well. As you can see, it's beautiful. So this is your gray with the green undertone. Now, as you can see, there's nothing white in this particular tile. It's just pure neutral. Now, and it is quite a light tile actually. So the next step would be is to have a look, are we going to have any, because sometimes you can use the same tile and create two different looks in a bathroom using the same stone. So as you can see, there's nothing crisp white in here, but we can definitely still go and find the perfect stone, which I'm so impressed with Caesarstone. They have really released an amazing range, and they have such a light and dark colors, and they have so many beautiful neutrals in lighter version and mid-tone version that work really well. So this is a brand new stone. It's called Cloudburst Concrete. It is stunning. It's also lovely green, and it works with this style perfectly. Again, I have gone and I have tested it. Works really well, but there's also lovely warm white that has that slight green undertone that works with this stone really well. Actually, it like matches it to perfection, like it's perfect. So if you want to, let's say you are having tiles not all the way to the ceiling, only halfway through, well, this would be your color, paint color that you can use to paint the rest of the space. So you're not just gonna plaster any color. You always have to match your paint color to your tiles and your stone and see which one works, because tiles take a larger area. You will always match it to your tile and then go and choose. You have two options. There's another color. This is also a perfect color. I don't know if you can see it. It matches really, really well. So you will just continue and paint the rest of your space in this color. If you're going all the way to the ceiling, that's fine. Then this would be our stone. That it's also gray with the green, but just that lighter version. So I teach all this in my online course. I give you all the samples. I teach you all the neutrals, which whites they pair really well. So there's also a lot of warmth, because gray with the green undertone really love warm white, but warm whites are also complex because they have different undertones. There's not only just one undertone or one warm white that fits all. There's quite a few of them categorized into different sections. Now, as for your feature tiles, so let's say we can pick two different feature tiles. We wanted beautiful, elegant, classic. So Zellage tiles are very popular at the moment. So again, you take your samples and you test, and as you can see, this lighter version, like it's match made in heaven, just matches these styles to perfection. Again, our gray green undertone, as you can see, gray green has different tones. So sometimes you've seen in my previous videos they were really dark, but in this video they're really light. Again, you have to also, with the gray green undertone, sometimes it can really trick you, because gray with the violet undertone in a lighter version can almost look very similar. So if you don't know, you can pick the wrong undertones and install them in your bathroom. So this can be one bathroom where we have the lovely stone, then we have the lovely splash bag, a lovely floor tile, and then we can also have a lovely gold fixture, and I have found a perfect grout for the, so you have to be careful with your grout, because this is just a tinge lighter than my floor tile. I have found the perfect grout for my floor tile, and I have also found the perfect grout for my wall tile, my feature tile. So don't ever let the tiler choose the grout for you. Please don't, because they all use the same grout. It's some, I don't know, very gray greeny. I mean, it's unbelievable. Don't do that. Always match your grout to perfection, because it makes such a difference when it's perfect. So that can be one look. And you can also use this color, not just on your walls, but if you are creating, you have two options actually. You have two different colors that you can use if you want to paint your cabinets in the right color. Look how all this is. Oh, it's working so beautiful. I'm so excited when I do things like that, when they're working really well. So you can give this to your cabinet maker, they can paint it. Both of these colors work really well. And then for the second bathroom, we can use this particular tile. Again, I've matched it to my gray greens, and again, this one works like a charm. Gray green, lighter version. So this would be another bathroom, same floor tile, same stone, another tile, which you can install it nicely and vertically, and it would work really well. Now, I'm not gonna be negative one. I did find a perfect color from Polytech that actually it's a gray green, and it matches the tiles and the stone to perfection. So I'm so happy for you guys. I did manage to find it, because I always say how hard it is. Yes, it is hard, but sometimes actually you can really find a beautiful match with neutrals, and this time I did. So yeah, so excited, so happy. So basically this is the color scheme that you can use in two different bathrooms. Look how beautiful this is. So, and maybe then you can repeat this, and let's say in a laundry you can use the Polytech, but two bathrooms you can paint in one of these colors. You can also use this as a wall color. Let's say if you're working in a laundry, you're going to have this as a splashback, your Polytech, and you want to paint the walls because your laundry is not going to be floor to ceiling and tiles. This is your color. You can also use this as your color, because you have two options. And now white windows would obviously work like a charm. Can you have black windows? Yes, you can. But as I've said before, you have to repeat this blackness through elements, accessories, towels, taps, fixtures, and so on. So I'm not going to put it right now because I really am loving this. And yeah, super excited. And that is pretty much it. This is also what I teach in my online course. I teach you how to create color schemes, how to test everything. Without the testing and without these neutrals, you're just making mistakes. You really can nail the space. When the colors are right, you can nail the space. And guess what? Colors are in everything. No matter what you touch, it's not just the paint. When you test, everything has a color, but the paint lead us in the right direction. And that is it for me in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments, feel free to pop them below. And that is it for me today.